In this video, you will install Docker, learn the basics, set up Docker Compose, add VS Code integration, and first, let's check if Docker is installed. Command not found, so we need to install it. We install Docker Desktop using Homebrew. This single command handles everything: the engine, CLI, and Docker Compose. Now, open Docker Desktop. It needs a moment to initialize the engine. Docker is now installed. Run hello world to verify. This pulls a tiny image and runs it. If you see this message, everything works. Let's pull the nginx image. Docker downloads it from Docker Hub. Run nginx in detached mode, mapping port 8080 to port 80. The long string is the container ID. Dockerfile shows running containers. Our nginx container is up and serving on port 8080. Docker Images lists all downloaded images. We have nginx and hello world. Stop and remove the container when you are done. Clean and simple. Docker Compose comes bundled with Docker Desktop. No extra install needed. Create a project folder. We will add a Compose file here. This Compose file defines two services, my-nginx for the web server and Postgres for the database. Ports and environment variables are set inline. Docker Compose Up starts both services in the background. Two containers are now running. Both services are up, nginx on 8080, Postgres on 5432. Compose down stops and removes everything. Containers, networks, all cleaned up. Install the Docker extension for VS Code from the terminal. One command. Verify it shows up in your extensions list. Open your project in VS Code. The Docker extension adds a panel in the sidebar. You can see containers, images, and registries. Open the command palette and search for Docker add files. It generates a Docker file and Compose file automatically. Let's build a custom image. Create a new project folder. Create a simple HTML file. This will be served by our container. The Docker file starts from nginx alpine, a lightweight base image. We copy our HTML file into the nginx served directory and expose. Build the image with Docker build. The -t flag gives it a name. 2 layers, that's it. Run it on port 3000. Your custom image is now a running container. Curl localhost 3000. There is our HTML page served from the container we just built. Stop and remove when done.